testing my purple Panda. I've got this now just laying in the pocket of my shirt. I'm going to see how the audio works. See if I can knock off some of the wind noise. I'm trying different locations. Out early morning before it gets too hot. I'm doing about 50 miles an hour at this point. It is kind of windy. There we go. Slapped with a little wind in, so we'll see how that sounds. So I'll make a couple of different adjustments. Test my audio using a Hero 4 GoPro. Riding on a 22 Goldwing, mounted on my ram mount, using a purple Panda that's basically laying in my shirt pocket. I do have that little fuzzy wind blocker installed, so. Alright, so I'm going to try to attach this to my helmet some way too and see how it works. So let me make a little pullover somewhere here and we're going to try a different position. Okay, hopefully you enjoy.